Well, this is it. End of our ferry ride. Starting up Revolver Creek. And we've got to do this for 14 days. Someone's chuckling up there. See how we go at lunchtime today, day one. Just left our lunch spot. It's 12:30 local time, and it's about the hottest we've had it. Away from a side creek from Revolver Creek, and we're leading to our camp, which is about 2 k's as the crow flies, and have another swim. We've had one swim today, which is really fun. And the most fly infested, you can see this fly that's just trying to bother the hell out of me. Anyway. That's what I came for, wasn't it?
It's Wickham's Reserve.
You've got one slippy. But no pressure.
Oh.
Oh, you got some nuts.
I'm hopeless.
Hey?
I could be twice as full.
It's a battery rechargeable fan, and it's got an icing component to it. Oh, that's lovely.
So we have to give you something really nice, or do something for you.
Now look, see how it's icing up?
Right, it's about 2 o'clock. It's really, really hot, but as you can see, I'm sweating quite a bit. We decided not to do another 1.5 k's to get up the river a bit, or the creek, and that would have made tomorrow a little bit less arduous, but we've got a bit of a climb before we get to Revolver Falls, where we'll be there for most of the day. Wow, look at this. It's hard to please some people, isn't it? It's quite cold in there.
Behind the scenes.
Look at that kingfisher. So far away. Look at him. What a ripper. How beautiful are you? Look at that. That's made my day. Day 1, night 1, and there are little midgies everywhere. You can hear them from outside. I'm in here, sweating like a dog. Morning of day 2. Boy oh boy, was that a rough night. Anyway, we got up at 5. I've seen the sunrise already, and according to Sebastian it was one of the warmest nights he's had, so obviously with the storm going through, it was just so humid, hot. I've had my bit of wet season, I think that'll do me though. We're off on the track along the Revolver Creek, up to the falls. It's supposed to be the hardest bit of the trip. We have to climb a bit. We'll see how that goes. But I'm really looking forward to sitting at the falls in the water, cooling myself down. But I reckon there'll be a few dips along the way, and the first dip I can take advantage of, I'll be into it because I'm sweating already like anything. The only positive thing is that the mozzies aren't here, but bloody oath. I'm doing this for pleasure and paying lots of money. Are we going to climb? That's a steep bit.
Yes, that's very steep here.
Yeah.
And after we follow the ridge,
Yep.
the highest point is somewhere here.
Morning, day 2. We're off. 3 minutes ahead of schedule. We've just received a prize for being the quickest group ever. Or so he says. Got to make our way up towards that, and then there where the sun's shining on. That looks cool. Wouldn't mind a dip. Don't fall in. Quite a bit already. It's great.
All the way down to the tree.
For the rest of the trees, a bit worse for wear. This one got burnt. just above Revolver Falls, do a bit of a swim to get just above them to then view them. So this is where we start swimming. There again, are you? Look, that's like a beached whale. Oh, a bit of entertainment, that's all. Oh.
You don't need to go bananas.
There we go, another whale.